Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So up next we have, this is going to be the BAM Big Box, and this is the Back to the Future box. I was super excited about this. It's supposed to have an awesome autograph in it. I did not look inside my box. I just cut it open here. I didn't even pull it open yet. So let's get it open and let's see what's in here. So this was a limited run box. They have big boxes once in a while. They had a Stephen King one, I think, before this, and not many people liked it. But this is the Back to the Future box. So this is all Back to the Future stuff. One of my favorites. So let's see what we got. I'm pretty excited. So we got 2 pins. Oh, that's awesome. So there's Marty and Doc from the third one, and they were in the Wild Wild West. That is so cool. These are definitely awesome. So cool pins. Oh man, this is the hat when he was in the diner. That is wildly cool. Check that out. That looks just like it. So this is the hat he wore. That's so awesome, man. Cool. And then we got the glasses. Oh, that is sick. Check that out. Wow. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. So we got the glasses, and we got the hat, and 2 pins, which leaves us to, I believe, the art print, and then the signature. So let's see which is which here. Okay, so the Beckett is on the bottom, so that's going to be the sign. So we got a set of 3D glasses here. And here's our art print. That is wildly cool. Now I'm guessing the 3D, I thought the 3D glasses at first were going to be, because they were wearing them in the one movie, but if you look at the print, I probably can't show you through there, but yeah, you can't see it like that. But it looks awesome. It jumps right out at you. That is so cool. And they're numbered 637 out of 700, and it's signed by the artist, and there's the certificate of authenticity on the back. All right, so here's the big one, the autograph. Let's see who it is. I have a feeling I know who it is. That's cool. Oh man, it's Christopher Lloyd. Check that out. That is awesome. So there he is, putting the model together. Save the clock tower. That's awesome, and you can see that it's got a Beckett certificate with it, which gives it a lot more weight than just the BAM, certificate. And there's his signature. Really, really nice signature on there. That looks really, really good. That is awesome. Definitely going right up on the wall. That is cool. This was only the second big box I've gotten from them. The only other one I got the Stan Lee box with his signature on it, which is probably my favorite of all time, but this is definitely awesome. Then we got 25% off Beckett in there. So guys, that is so super cool. So yeah, that's awesome. So we got a Christopher Lloyd autograph. We got the art print. And I actually like how they put it in kind of upside down so you could unbox it and have to flip it over. That was really, really, really cool. We got the 3D glasses here. We got the glasses from the movie there. We got the hat, and we got the 2 pins. So guys, that's the BAM Big Box for Back to the Future. Absolutely awesome. I heard a lot of people were saying they weren't happy with a lot of the other boxes and stuff like that, but this one blew it over the top. Definitely worth it. This is awesome. Probably, like I said, my second favorite box, because nothing to top the Stan Lee one, because that's my absolute all-time favorite. But this was really, really cool. This is awesome to for any Back to the Future fan to put up in their display, the hat and the glasses. I mean, that's just cool. They were cool props from the movie and things that were specific to the movie. You knew they weren't going to throw a full-size hoverboard in there. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe.